Docker Engine for Linux is the Docker platform's core component that enables containerized applications to run on Linux operating systems. It is an open-source containerization technology that uses the Linux kernel's containerization features to create isolated environments called containers. Overall, Docker Engine for Linux provides a powerful and flexible tool for developing, deploying, and managing containerized applications on Linux-based systems. To install Docker on Debian 12 using the official documentation, follow these steps. Open Terminal on your Debian. Update your package list. Install these packages which are necessary to allow apt to use a repository over HTTPS. Next, add Docker's official GPG key on your Debian with this command. Now add the Docker repository to your system using this command. Once done adding, update your package list again. You can now install the latest version of Docker with apt as shown. This should install quickly. It's done successfully. Docker is successfully installed on Debian 12 Bookworm. You can confirm it through this command. You can also verify that Docker is installed and running through running Ubuntu Docker image as shown. That's it. You now have Docker installed on your Debian 12 Bookworm. Keep learning.